Hey guys, hello guys. Today we are going to do a new unboxing video. Today we are going to do unboxing video. We got the Wilson. Today we are unboxing Wilson double wristband unboxing video. We got the Wilson headband and we unboxed the video unboxing video today. This is Wilson double wristband and double pigment. Very good wristband. Sport tennis player Roger Federer use Wilson. It's very good. Asper print, super Asper print, and this is the code in scan in shop. Scan the price in shop, so don't worry about this. Wilson, yeah, Roger Federer tennis player Wilson. Let's unbox the Wilson headbands, wristbands. Oh yeah, very hard to do with one hand. Unbox Wilson. Wilson. Oh yeah. We got the Wilson out now, and it's inside we have this paper. Keep Wilson straight, you know, in a packet. So very nice package. I keep it here, safe. And let's try to put Wilson on. Let's see how we feel like with Wilson on. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, the Wilsons. I got the Wilsons on right now, and feels very good, very comfortable, and you know, I can do things much better now. I feel like I'm much stronger now. I'm gonna try to make some weights maybe. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wilson, yeah, help me. So yeah, the Wilson is very helpful, as you can see. You can do very nice things with Wilson headbands, and yeah, let's go to see some more what we can do with Wilson. We got, you know, the tennis apple. We got always throw apples up, down, Roger Federer. Very nice. So this Wilson headband is, yeah, very good headband. I recommend this headband for everyone, especially if you want to get sport. The feeling of sport in your hands. You can buy Wilson headband, and yeah, good product, great price. Thank you, Wilson, and see you in next unboxing video. Thank you.